Hello friends, welcome to Hello English. My name is Rupam. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can become a good English speaker. How and why do people fail to speak better English? I will share with you few reasons why people fail to become a good speaker, and also I'll give you some solution for that. So watch this video till the end. And yes, I keep uploading videos almost every day. I'm sure you will like those videos. So please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you get the notification every day. Let's begin. Okay, before we start, I have a question for you. Tell me, what is the reason why you are learning English? Is it because you want to improve your listening skill? Or is it because you want to develop your speaking? Or you want to improve your English overall? Let me know in the comment. I will wait for your reply. Great. So there are situations, my dear friend. Many a times we come across such situation where there are so many people and we are forced to speak. Maybe sometimes in college, or sometimes in your office, or sometimes in general public. People start talking to you in English. And the situation comes that you get scared. You fumble. You think, oh my God, I just want to go away from this place. I just want to hide. I just want to ignore this situation. Happens or not? Yes, right? It happened with me also. It happens with everyone. It is because we lack confidence. Why we lack confidence? Because we lack the skill of speaking. Our mind is not prepared to speak in English. So how we can overcome these situations? How we can overcome these challenges? Let's learn. In this video, you will get all the important things required. Some important lessons which you can learn and improve your English. So the first thing is that every day whenever you get up, make sure that you tell yourself, today is the best day of my life. Believe me, my dear friend, these small things gives big result. If you may think, oh, what is this? It doesn't make sense. But it makes sense. When you wake up and tell to yourself that today is the best day of my life, your mind will be prepared to learn. The mind gets the hint. Today we are going to learn something new. It will support you. First and foremost, the problem we face is hesitation while speaking in English. In order to excel in spoken English, we first have to fight fear. So fear is the greatest enemy. Many a times, we know the sentence, we know what to speak, but the hesitation which is inside us stops us from speaking. So what is the solution? The solution is that you have to focus on your daily learnings. Talk more, learn more. For example, learn some basic sentences. Sentences which we use in our regular life, in our daily life. As for example, this is the one. Suppose we meet a stranger. How to talk? What to talk? So just to start with, you can say hi. The stranger will say. You can also say hello. Next, stranger, automatically it will come. How are you? So you have to say, kind of good. What about you? Hope all is well. See, you need to learn all these things, man. Stranger will say, yeah, all is good. What is your name? You have to say your name. I'm Jane. I'm Ravi. I'm Abdul. You have to say. Then it's your time to ask, what's your name? He will reply to you. Continue the discussion. Where are you from? I am from this place. You can say, oh, I heard about this place. It's a very beautiful place. So learn conversation. This will help you to build confidence and your hesitation will come down slowly. Next, eagerness to learn. Many of us, we feel that, oh man, it's boring to learn something new. Stop. Let's stop it. There you failed. Children, they are very curious to learn. You and I, when we were kids, we used to learn so many things, right? Just by listening, just by talking, fumbling, talking, making mistakes, still talking. In that process, we learn because we were eager to learn. Similarly, if you want to be fluent in spoken English, you have to be eager to learn. Ask questions and gain knowledge. So what is the solution for this? Don't stop learning. Learn how to ask questions. Be regular. Be punctual of what you are learning. I have some questions for you which you can learn. Basic questions like, are you sick? How we will reply, yes, I am sick. How is she? She is beautiful. What time is it? It is 8 o'clock. It is 9 o'clock. What's the temperature? It's 30 degrees centigrade now. How does she looks like? She is tall and slim. Could I see the room? Your room number is 201. If you're going to a hotel, the receptionist will tell you like this. What's your job? If you meet a stranger, they will ask you, what's your job? You can say, I'm a student, or I work for a company. Do you have any bags? Yes, there's a suitcase. If you're traveling. What's the weather? It's raining or it's sunny. How much does it cost? You purchase something new and someone is asking you. You can say $100 or 200 rupees. Got it? This is a great way to build confidence. So be eager to learn more and more. Next, not scared to make mistake. We fail in our life many a times, not only in learning English. In many cases we fail because we are scared that if we fail, what others will think. I will be hard. Rather, I will not try. This will not let you grow in life. As human, we are not born perfect, remember. We learn from mistakes. Then we rectify and then reattempt. So remember, whenever you fail, get up and try again. Next time, you will not fail. What is the solution for this? In order to achieve fluency in spoken English, you have to use the technical grammar knowledge and convert it into speech by doing verbal practice. In easy words, if I want to explain you need to learn the basics of grammar. When you learn the basics of grammar, there is a possibility that you make less mistake when you speak English. So basics of grammar is important. Like basics of grammar, what you can learn? Like parts of speech, sentence structure, verb tenses, subject-verb agreements, pronouns, adjectives and adverbs, sentence type, punctuation, common grammar mistakes which are there, and resources for further learning. So all these things are important, my dear friends. Like some common grammar mistakes which we make. See here. Mistakes are, my car beautiful. Well, you have to say, my car is beautiful. It Sunday. No, on Sunday. Next, I play chess good. No, I play chess well. Last week I cried. Last week I cried. It happened in the past. Same way, she likes cheese. She likes cheese. So in this way, pick up some sentences, to pick up some lessons and learn. Finally, we come to listening. Listening is important to improve your English and to kill your hesitation. So make a habit of listening almost every day. Whenever you are free, listen to anything. Audio, videos, podcast, anything you pick up and listen. Remember, watch what you like. And when you watch what you like, you will learn from that more. As for example, pick up some audios. Like, there is one website called digitalbooks.io. You can go to that and you can pick up audios and listen. Like one example.
I embraced the offer, and entering into a strict friendship with the captain, who was an honest, plain-dealing man, I went the voyage with him, and carried a small adventure with me, which, by the disinterested honesty of my friend the captain, I increased very considerably, for I carried about 40 pounds in such toys and trifles.
Got it? So in this way, make a habit of practicing regularly. My dear friends, whenever we are empty, whenever we don't have anything in our mind, it is obvious we fear, we get scared, we hesitate. Because what we will speak? We don't have any resource. We don't have any idea about English. But when you are fully equipped, when you practice regularly, your mind will be ready to speak. And you will not hesitate, you will not fear. So this is all about today's lesson. I hope you have learned a lot of things. I wish to see you again, and please do subscribe, my dear friends. See you again. Thank you.